Superman once destroyed an entire solar system because he sneezed. Superman confronts the mischievous Mr. Mixier's Piddleick, who exposes him to a magical sneezing powder. To prevent catastrophic damage on Earth, Superman swiftly flies to a distant, uninhabited solar system. There, he releases a colossal sneeze that obliterates the entire system, showcasing the exaggerated portrayal of his powers during the Silver Age of comics. Superman was so overpowered, he could travel through time by flying fast, move planets with his bare hands, and had super ventriloquism. But for one moment in 1959, a simple sneeze made him the most dangerous being in the universe.